Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating your CJ Publisher account and completing all tax and payment fields so payouts won't stall. Next, pick a tight niche and identify top-performing product types to promote. This focuses your outreach. Once done, prepare a live site or channel with at least 5 quality posts and connect analytics so you can track traffic sources and conversion signals. Make sure to link your domain in CJ and confirm the account. Then move to recruiting advertisers. You should research advertisers in CJ by EPC, cookie length, and creative freshness. Apply selectively to around 10 to 20 programs that fit your audience. Once accepted, integrate deep links and banner assets into content, and add tracking tokens plus consistent UTM parameters so you can attribute clicks precisely. Then create dedicated product pages, comparison posts, and at least one email sequence to test conversions. Make sure to vary creatives and placements. You now focus on optimization. Review EPC, conversion rate, and traffic source ROI weekly, and cut low-performing publishers or pages. Once you identify winners, scale them with paid ads, additional content, and a /B testing of creatives and placements. Make sure to keep creatives fresh and update links when advertisers change their landing pages. If commissions do not appear, audit your tracking setup first. Gather transaction ID and timestamps, then contact CJ support while documenting steps taken. This accelerates troubleshooting and payout resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.